Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a 2007 model Komatsu CK30-1 rubber track skid steer loader. It's a turbo, it has a 2-speed, it has an amazing 3,500 pound operating capacity. It is just a monster of a machine, completely joystick controls. It has good tracks, good undercarriage, and look at the height. That is an amazing machine. You can see this machine as well as the rest of our machines by going to our website, texasskidsteer.com. We've got always have a lot of good skid steers for sale, as well as skid steer loader attachments. We sell them in all makes and models. If you need skid steer advice, just give us a call, 817-668-1018, or look at all the machines that we have for sale at www.texasskidsteer.com. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.